Alright, here we go. President's Choice. Bleu Blanc at Rouge. Hit draft box break number 2. Nobody is in the room tonight for picks, so it looks like I'm going to be picking for everybody. First thing we'll do is randomize the list for our draft order. Everybody on here. We got Troy on top, spot number 1, down to man this, spot number 8. Randomize this list 3 times for the draft order. 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. First pick is Hatcherman, then Emma Lacey, followed by Troy, then Emma Bell, Gerald D, Snowballs, Mandis, and Emma Bell. And again, as mentioned on the website, there are 7 autographs memorabilia in every box. Each one of those counts as a pick. And there'll be 5 premium base cards, and all 5 will be considered one pick. Get that. Alright, so here we go. Box break number 2. Foam spacers. First up, we'll do the base. That is Leduc, Mondo, Jolette, Siebert, and Jeffrey on. That is the base bundle. Alright, paper cuts. Pierre LaRoche. Pierre LaRoche paper cuts. Paper cuts. Phil Goyette. Phil Goyette paper cuts. Yvonne Cornway paper cuts. Yvonne Cornway paper cuts. And Jacques Lemaire paper cuts. Jacques Lemaire. Just gonna double check, see if any of those are SPs. I don't think so. Nope. No SPs. Alright. Got an assigned seat, 1 of 12. Chris Chelios. Chris Chelios, assigned seat. Bar down, 10 of 10, of Cesar Maniago. Sorry, I'm not familiar with them. Maniago? Cool card, though. And, ooh, nice, 3 of 3, tape job, Jacques Plante. Jacques Plante. Tape job, 3 of 3. There we go. So, not as much fun if I'm just doing all the picks myself. But, it'll be fast. Hatcherman's up first. I'm going to give him the Jacques Plante tape job. Emma Lacey is up next. I'll go with the Chelios assigned seat. Troy Penny is third. Go with the bar down. Interesting piece. Emma Bell's up. Maniago, thank you. What do you think? I'm thinking Jacques Lemaire for Emma Bell. Daryl D is up. Go for the Yvonne Cornway. Snowballs. Scott, not sure what we'd go here, but we'll go with the Phil Goyette. It's an old picture. Man, this is up. Do the Pierre LaRoche paper cuts. And Emma Bell will get the base pile. And there we go. That was a quick one. Box break number 2 in the books. Thank you very much. Number 3 has already been posted Thursday night. Probably do a case Friday night as well, too. Pretty nice stuff.